Hello and welcome to this lesson where we will see how to install the Service Desk application package on your Office 365 EC within PowerApps. Here is the file you downloaded from the course resources. We select it on the keyboard with Ctrl-C, we copy it, and we will paste it into our folder dedicated to this course. I have named it Service Desk. You can place it wherever you want, Ctrl-V, and we paste it. At this point, we right-click here on the writing and click on Extract here. So he extracted all the compressed content inside the folder. So we open this folder. As you can see here, there are all 4 versions of the application, 2 in Italian and 2 in English. Smartphone, iPhone and tablet, iPad, and here inside there are the XZ files of the data source. So here too, we will do the decompression. Right-click, extract here, and this is the folder that, as you will see in the lessons, must be placed inside our OneDrive. Assuming we are on the PowerApps homepage, let's click on these points. We choose OneDrive, Upload, Folder. We go to the desktop, the folder inside, which is the one to be uploaded. It was Service Desk, Application Package. We select it PowerApps, and we are going to upload it. Upload, and at this point, the PowerApps folder, as you can see, has been uploaded. At this point, we need to open PowerApps. So we click again on the points, we choose PowerApps, we go to Apps, and we click on this button, Import App, then we click on Import. And here we will choose the package that we want to import, which will be the ones you have downloaded. So upload, we do the procedure only for one, because obviously it will be the same for all the others. Here we choose the iPad tablet version in English. So we select the compressed file. Now, the download operations have started, and as soon as they are finished, there you go, they are finished. We click here on Update, and we will say to create this application as new. Save, and then click on Import at the end. As soon as the application has been imported, it will be immediately available in our list. As you can see, the application has been correctly loaded and is now ready to be used. It is necessary to connect it to the source, that is to the origin of the data, to the Excel sheet that is in the folder we uploaded to OneDrive. So we will open the application in development mode. Then on these points, click on Edit. And as soon as the PowerApp Studio environment opens, we will see that the application will be scattered with a series of errors because it has no data source. Here, we click on Ignore. There, all these red circles with an X inside indicate that all these fields do not have a data source. We will click on Show Data Source. This Excel file is located inside OneDrive, so create a new connection, OneDrive. Let's go to PowerApps, which is the folder we imported. Model, this is the English version. Let's click on the Excel icon and go select all the tables, that is, all the Excel sheets, which are the data source for this application. So once we have selected them all, let's click on Connect. And now, as the connection is established, all the errors in the application will disappear. Let's run the application in usage mode. And as you can see inside, there is data contained in the Office 365 model. So here we're going to close, save what we have done, File, Save, and publish this version of the application so that tomorrow, when we publish another one, we will always have this one available, because if we might have made a mistake, we could recover it. So at this stage, for the application to be truly usable from scratch, we need to go delete the data that is inside the Office 365 model. So we enter here, go back to OneDrive, then leave PowerApps for now. Enter this Templates folder, the English version, enter the Excel file, and let's delete all the data that is in the model so that our application is completely empty. To make it completely empty, we finally need to select these lines again. In Excel, right-click and choose Delete Rows so that the rows are truly deleted. Otherwise, it would give us 11 empty tickets. So now we go back by closing the Excel file here. We return to PowerApps, and we will see that our application will be completely empty and ready to use. So we click here on Run. Then we go into the application. And so here everything is at 0. And we can go add a new ticket created by Ricardo. High priority, let's say it concerns human resources. This subject, this description. So we are going to click on Create a Ticket, and now we can go add additional details. So say that this ticket is in progress, that it has been assigned to Karen. We have already set the field of human resources. We have already set the priority. And so we can save and have our ticket with our description and our subject. Obviously, you will be able to customize the drop-down menus for data entry, that is to say, those related to the status of the ticket, to the people to whom the ticket is assigned, to the field of intervention, and to the priority. Let's see how to do it. Let's go back to PowerApps. Let's click on the points. Let's go to OneDrive Car. We will need to modify the Excel template file, the application in English, so let's open the file. If we now go to Tickets, we see that there is this first line of the ticket that we have inserted. Here, we should not touch anything because it concerns programming. Here, the same. Here, we will be able to change or add other entries. Here, the same. Here, we will add, for example, Mike here, it has been saved. We close the Excel file. We return to our application. We perform the update, and once the update is completed, we will see that here now. We can also choose Mike, and therefore say that this ticket has been assigned to Mike. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.